In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your navbar at the top while scrolling when using Webflow. This adjustment is convenient for enhancing user experience, ensuring that vital navigation options are always within easy reach as your users explore the rest of your content. So let's dive right in. To start, open your Webflow project where you have your navbar set up. Go to the designer, which is your main interface for editing all those visual elements. Once you're there, locate the navbar that you want to fix at the top of your page. This is a critical step. Ensuring that you have selected the correct element is vital, as this is where the changes will happen. After selecting your navbar, your next move is to focus your attention on the right-hand side of the interface. Here you'll find various styling settings for your selected element. Scroll down within this panel until you come across the section labeled Position. This is where you'll make the key adjustment to fix your navbar at the top of the page. In the Positions section, you'll see a drop-down menu which typically defaults to Static for most elements. Click on this drop-down to reveal other position options that you can choose from. Simply select Fixed from this list. By choosing Fixed, you're telling the browser to keep the navbar in the same place on the screen, even as you scroll through the rest of the page content. This small but significant change should be visually immediate. Try scrolling down the page a little, and you'll notice that your navbar remains in place, fixed neatly at the top, while the rest of your content moves past it. And that's it. You've successfully anchored your navbar at the top, ensuring it remains constantly accessible to visitors navigating through your site. A small tip to remember: once you've set the position to Fixed, you may often want to double-check how it looks when previewed on different devices. Webflow offers handy responsive viewports, so make sure that the fixed navbar looks great across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices, and make any necessary adjustments. This process not only boosts the usability and functionality of your website, but also contributes to a more professional and polished look overall. Remember, a well-designed navbar can significantly improve user interactions by making site navigation clear and intuitive. So, take a moment to admire your work and enjoy the improved navigational experience you've created. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks.